This video explains how you can install third-party packages in Mac using brew command. So by default, brew will track only the packages that are listed on this website, formally.brew.sh. So you can see that it is showing the list of all the packages that can be installed. So these are core. This is the core repository. So brew can install only the packages that are mentioned here, but along with that, if you want to install the packages developed by third parties, you can do that as well. For that, there are several commands that you can use. So first command is brew tab. This will display the list of third-party repositories that are available. Actually, all the repositories that are available on your Mac system. So you can see here there are 4 repositories right now, and this homebrew core is the core repository. So by default, it will just download the packages from that repository only. But you can also install or add different third-party repositories as well. For example, I have added this cask repository, and to add the repository, third-party repository, you have to use this command brew tab and then that repository name. So here you can use brew tab cask or cask dash versions, whatever is the repository name, and then that will be added. And similarly, if you want to remove the repository of third-party repository, then you can use this command brew untap and then that repository name. So these commands are exactly same as these commands in the Linux, like yum repo list. So this command will give you the list of all the repositories that are configured in your system. So this brew tab is the same command in Mac system. Or if you want to get more information about this brew tab, you can use this command brew tab help, which will display the information. Valid tab name. So basically you can't use this here, you have to use the repository name itself. Thanks for watching this video.